In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Coursera account. This is an important step to ensure your name appears correctly on certificates and to confirm your identity for certain verified courses. Now let's get started and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to the Coursera homepage and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu, and from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Doing so will take you to your account settings page, where all the magic happens. Once you're on the account settings page, you'll see an array of options laid out in front of you. Here, things might look a bit different depending on whether your account is already verified. In my case, the option displays as Request Name Change, but don't worry if you see something different. If you haven't verified your account yet, you should find the Verify My Name option right around the same spot. Now that you've located the Verify My Name option, give it a click to start the verification process. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your first name, middle name, and last name. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling just to ensure everything is spot on and precise. Once you're satisfied that all the details are correct, you'll need to check a box to confirm that the information you provided is indeed your legal name and that you are at least 13 years old. Keep in mind, Coursera might get in touch with you later to verify your identity further. This can involve requesting a government-issued ID to confirm the details you've entered. This step is crucial because it ensures that the name displayed on your account matches what's on your official documents, keeping everything aligned and official. Once you've checked your information and everything is good to go, just click on Submit. That's it. Your name will then be verified and stored securely in the system. And in case Coursera requires any further verification, they'll send you an email with clear instructions on how to provide the necessary documents. And there you have it. You've successfully verified your Coursera account. If you found today's tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss more helpful tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.